Welcome to the May 19th version of the Show Report, where we go deep on the Ontario real estate market. This week, we're going to discuss changes in inflation and what we think might happen on June 7th with the interest rate decision. We're going to revisit and expand on changes to exclusive listings via the Realtor Cooperation Policy, and we're going to discuss the launch of a new pre-construction condo in the heart of Hamilton. Let's go. There's been quite a bit of buzz about the bump in inflation that we saw in April, with prices rising by 4.4% compared to last year. Let's put this in perspective. In March, we had a 4.3% increase, and back in February, inflation rose by about 5.2%. So this unexpected reacceleration of inflation is the first time we've seen an increase since June 2022, and it exceeded the prediction of economists where they were looking at a 4.1% gain. Although measures of inflation actually eased a bit, which gives the central bank some wiggle room to keep interest rates steady, there are whispers that this increase from March might prompt a rate hike in the Bank of Canada's rate decision on June 7th. Everything considered, I don't think that this minimal 0.1% increase in inflation from the previous month will result in a rate hike, but we won't know until the first week of June. Another thing that I wanted to talk about is exclusive listings. We talked about this before. Korea recently introduced the Realtor Cooperation Policy that aims to reinforce cooperation amongst real estate agents and the value of MLS systems in the Ontario real estate market. This policy would require realtors to place their listings on the MLS system shortly after the property is publicly marketed. This policy does not restrict pre-construction, commercial, or lease listings, but it does apply to residential sales. This policy ensures that properties are promoted equally and transparently to the realtor community and the public, which I think is really important. The challenges that I see with this new regulation pertains to properly executing a teaser marketing campaign for a property with such a short window of time. And secondly, servicing homeowners who may not want the exposure of the MLS, but are looking for a much more strategic, selective, and controllable listing process due to privacy reasons. Realtors should work with their local boards and Korea on finding professional solutions to these challenges, which ultimately allow us to differentiate and add unique value-add services to our clients, which is crucially important to our businesses. The more regulated standardization of marketing processes that occur in our industry can limit the innovation and opportunities within the profession. Last but not least, the platinum launch of Corktown Condos is here, a fusion of Hamilton's past and future. Corktown Condos, situated at the intersection of downtown Hamilton and its scenic nature paths, a well-connected, vibrant community. This development combines the convenience and proximity to restaurants, bars, with the tranquility and elegance of one of Hamilton's oldest districts. Residents of Corktown enjoy seamless access to Toronto while embracing the unique Hamilton lifestyle. With the Hamilton Go Center and the future LRT station just minutes away, there's lots of transportation options allowing residents to explore the city and beyond. Corktown celebrates Hamilton's dynamic history and embraces its promising future, building on a thriving industry of technology, arts, culture, and education. Slate Asset Management, who's the developer of this project, is committed to long-term city building and is leading the monumental redevelopment of Steelport, an 800-acre industrial site on the Hamilton waterfront.